Alright guys, so today we're going to be installing the rear subframe bushings from Whiteline. Pretty good company. Here's the part number. As you can see, for E90, for E80s I guess too, same thing. There's a front bushings for the front and for the rear. It splits it up right here. Different part numbers, push, insert, and the part numbers are here. Each one has a part number, as you can see. Each one has a part number, so pretty easy, pretty basic. Go step by step, and all you really have to do is lower down, release the bolt, lower it down, push these in, put it back up. Alright, so first things first, we're gonna loosen up this bolt right here because we need to drop this down, and this is in the way, so we'll loosen this up. Then get to that bolt right there. Same thing goes for this side. Take this off, and then get the bolt right there. And we're gonna put something right here to hold it up and drop just the front for now. Alright, it's dropped. Have this right here to hold it up. Careful with these brake lines. Brake lines are here, careful. Just enough. Alright, so you just put the insert on the top, one on the bottom. It's pretty easy, but I did kind of mess up with this. You need some silicone grease to make it easier, but I did mess up. I did put the front where it's not supposed to go. The front was supposed to go in the rear, and the rear is supposed to go in the front. I messed up, as you can see. That's why it's not flush on the top. Top insert is not flush, but I fix it later. But I'm just going to show you guys that this is all you have to do. The rear one is a lot easier to do because it's just one big bolt and one like big washer. And same thing, you just drop it a little bit as soon as you release the rear bolts. Make sure to do one side at a time. You do the front first, and then you do the rear first, or either one, but make sure to loosen up either the front first or the rear. And then this is where I find out that I've actually messed up, because for some reason they're not fitting, and it's because, like I said, I put the front inserts in the rear and the rear inserts in the front. I kind of misread. Alright, so you know what? I had to redo it. I had the thing swapped. I had the front and the back and the back and the front. So this is how it's supposed to look. Nice and uniform. It's supposed to go in easy. So yeah, make sure you read the instructions good. Everyone goes in, goes to the top. Seats good. Just like that. Seated perfectly. As you can see, it would go like this. There we go. Ta-da. So this one go like that. So the rear looks now. There we go. It is in. That's how it looks. That's how that looks. Bolt there. These bolts over here. All tight. This. Alright, so after driving it around for a few days, I actually noticed that it improved quite a bit. It's definitely a lot more firm in the rear. I also installed this differential brace that you guys are going to see, but that's going to be a separate video. But these two combined definitely changed up the rear end, and now it actually handles a bit better. It's not a huge difference, but it's definitely noticeable.